Once upon a time, there was a girl named Pearl, who hated her hair because it had lots of curls. And sometimes Pearl would cry. Wah 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 wah. Why? That was because some troublesome children jeered, saying, "Na na 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 na, Pearl has nappy hair." Pearl wished and wished to be like them, to have long straight hair and lots of friends. But her hair stayed the same and she was sad. Pearl thought that having curly hair was really bad. Pearl's parents told her to love herself. Never, they said, never wish to be someone else. Pearl listened to her parents and began to love her hair. And when the children jeered, Pearl didn't care. She wore her hair in lots of styles, and each time Pearl looked in the mirror, she smiled. After that, the other girls wanted to be her friend. They wanted to be like Pearl, and asked her to teach them. One day, the most beautiful girl in the world was Pearl. For having the prettiest smiles and hair filled with curls.